Since the new school year is just around the corner, and with my friends just getting back from their vacation in the Philippines, we thought, what better way to wrap up summer than with a trip together? This time, we decided to visit Sunman Lake, one of the most famous and beautiful tourist spots in our county, known for its breathtaking scenery, peaceful atmosphere, and fun activities. It's a perfect place to make new memories before the busy school days begin.
Look! Look!
Yay! Wala akong magbabaraya ako na. Wow! Money mother, oh. After getting our souvenir coins, we decided to grab some lunch before heading out on our boat trip. The restaurant we found had such amazing food. I ordered the braised chicken, while my friends went for the fried pork chop. While we are waiting, they even served us some green tea with jelly and boba on the side. Everything tasted so good, but honestly, the highlight for me was the kimchi. It was the best, so fresh and flavorful. Let's eat!
We already have a ticket. Since kumain kami dun sa restaurant, nagkaroon kami ng discount sa ticket. So, instead of 300, we only paid for 250. Oh, yay! Show your tickets! Yay! Sasakay na kami sa boat!
As we were about to hop on the boat for our first ride, we couldn't help but be amazed by the beauty of the lake, the calm water, and the surrounding mountains, and even the colorful boats lined up along the dock all added to the scenery, making it feel so peaceful and stunning. As the boat started moving, I couldn't help but enjoy the cool wind brushing against my face. It was such a refreshing moment, making our ride across the lake even more memorable. It's our first stop at Shuanggang. The water here is calmer, and the scenery is simply stunning. Perched on the hill above the lake is Shuanggang Temple, a serene spot that adds a touch of history and culture. Fun fact, the temple is named after the Buddhist monk Xuanzang, who is said to have traveled here on a spiritual journey centuries ago. We were just so happy and relaxed, finally making it from Chushan to the beautiful Sunman Lake. It felt great to be here, soaking in the scenery and enjoying every moment with friends.
Hi! Nandito kami ngayon sa Sunman Lake.
Just wow! Look at that behind me. It's so beautiful and peaceful. Moments like this really make you appreciate God's amazing creation. The calm water, the mountains, the serene surroundings. It's truly breathtaking. This moment is the reset I've been looking for, a chance to breathe, relax, and just enjoy the beauty around me. Now, on to the next spot. Our second boat ride is taking us to Ita Town, a lively area full of activities. Here, you can explore street markets, browse souvenir shops, take a cable car ride, go biking, or even try water activities. There's really something for everyone. As for us, we were planning to try the cable car and enjoy the views from above.
Cheers! Cable car!
Before hopping on the cable car, we decided to grab a refreshing drink, watermelon with milk. The walk to the cable car station is quite a distance from the dock, so we wanted to recharge a bit before heading out.
May sumabit. Epic fail, pero sarap. Refreshing. Watermelon milk juice.
Healthy living.
Healthy living. Ay, sasakay kami dun sa cable car. And welcome to my mansion. Saan ba yun?
Jealous of my mansion.
Yes! Ayan. Old hotel siya dito sa San Juan Lake. Naiwan kaming tatlo kasi nagpipicture yung dalawa.
Hi.
Meet Sherry and Sherry.
1 and 2.
Sherry 1 and 2. Ayan, sasakay kami ngayon ng cable car. And here's our ticket. Let's go! Saan na sila? Naligaw. Lake and then mountain.
Hey,
Let's fall in line.
sure. Hadi.
Pila tayo for the cable. Cable ride. I'm gonna ride that. It's my first time, so I'm very, very excited. Yee! I'm gonna experience to ride a cable car in San Juan Lake. Look at that. Going up, up, up. Mom. Na 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 na. Ganun. Ang cover. I'm going up, up, up. It's my moment. Yun na. It's a yellow. Hello. Yellow. Red. Parang akong bano. Parang mangyan. It's okay. It's my first time. Don't judge me. Wow. It's the Sakura. Sakura Fable Bar. The sakura is yun. Open glass. Oh, we're next. We're next.
I'm excited. I'm excited to so for.
We're next. Kami na sunod. We're gonna ride a yellow cable car. Ah! Doon ako, girl. Pedes. Love you.
Hoy, huwag kayo masyadong magalaw ha. Magalaw ha.
Yes po. Hi! Yeah, dito kami sa cable car. Yellow cable car. And we're going up. Pop, pop.
Natatakot ako. Oo, sabi niya sa akin, ayaw niya lang bumalik dito. Kasi natatakot siya. Pero sabi niya ayaw, sige, try natin.
Nag-close na yung door.
Matakotin din naman ako sa heights.
So, it's like,
Para sa hangin yan. Hangin naman.
let's find out kung parang sumasakay lang ng Ferris wheel.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi? Ano feeling? Kasi mataas. Ano magalaw
It's
din?
moving! Hoy! Ano din pala siya? Nakakalula! Oh my Ay, grabe!
Parang balance dun kayo. Oh, yan.
Nagkagigita ako kasi mabigat ako kaya nakatabi na.
Okay lang. Oh, okay na? Kalma na.
For the ano? Ay! Nasa taas ka! Ay! Yung leg! Ay! Ay! Ang taas! Oh my God! Teka.
Huwag kayong gumalaw, please.
Nanginginig ako pero sobrang ganda! Oh my gosh! Sobrang ganda!
Uy, maririnig kayo sa labas kasi alam ko. Ay, picture
Oh my God! Grabe yung feeling! Siguro kapag yung crystal yung baba, Diyos ko po!
Oh, iinom nyo na lang.
Ano pa pala? Mataas pa!
Uy, mag-picture tayo. Uy, nanginginig na ako.
Nanginginig din ako!
Picture.
Hindi ako makaga.
Ayoko na. Ala,
tumagal ako. Oh my gosh!
Ala!
Sobrang!
Sherry!
Sherry!
Teka.
Paano?
Parang hindi kinakabahan. Selfie muna.
Grabe yung feeling. Oh God!
Okay, ganyan nga. Sige, go. Itas mo kaya? Ano mo?
Salamat po! Salamat po sa inyong biyayang lubos!
Okay, ang ganda mo din.
Sobrang ganda.
Ang tapang mo ka kanina.
We're almost there!
Ay, yun na yun? Hindi pa.
Bababa pa yun.
Isa pa. Pababa, picturean mo ako
Ano
ha.
yung...
Sa'yo muna ngayon.
Ano?
Pababa.
Iba nga pala.
Hala, ang pababa. Ang
Ibang experience din.
Hindi nakakatakot yung pababa. Yan lang.
Yung pataas.
Yung nakakatakot, girl.
Grabe siya, uy. Family! Nandito na ako sa taas! Hi, guys!
Hala, no eating, no beverage, no.
Hindi, sabi niya okay lang.
Tutal na bahay ko.
Better not.
Sige, hingi na ako. Ay, ayun pa oh. Ayun pa doon.
Oo, dyan. Oo, meron. Pero dyan na tayo mag-stop. Siguro Mosa na yun.
Okay.
Wow! Hi, princess!
Sige, mag-break muna tayo.
Ice breaker.
Icebreaker.
Mag-gather muna tayo ng
Mag-gather muna tayo ng courage pagbalik.
Kasi
Ayun.
parang
napakatarik nito. Yung part na ito. Dito ako natakot dati.
Ay, yung pa ako.
Uy, ang ganda ng kahoy. Uy! Uy! Tingnan mo, oh. Ito, nakakatakot talaga to yung paakyat. Ito,
Oo, mas nakakatakot yung pabalik.
Parang Christmas tree. Oh, ang ganda tingnan.
Kulang na lang yung Christmas decors mo.
Ang ganda. Diba? Nakakatakot yung paakyat.
Mas maano to? Mas matarik compared dun
Ako
sa
natatakot
ano.
sa mga cellphone mo, Day. Kasi wala yung plastan.
Ayun na, bababa na kami.
Ay, thank you,
Tapos,
Lord.
mag-iipon ulit kami ng lakas ng loob para bumalik. Ano?
Thank you, Lord. Pero na lumabas.
Thank you, Lord! Buhay kami! Ayun, solid.
I thank you, Lord.
Nabingi ako doon ah. Kasi ang taas. Wow, ang taas mo na.
Sasakay na kami pabalik. After namin makaipon ng maraming courage. Kaya natin to. Oh, we're riding the red cable car na. Red na. Uy! Ay, madam, dito ako. Okay ka lang, mabingi. Ayan na naman tayo. So, this is our second time. Babalik. Tignan natin kung enough yung courage na naipon namin.
Ano ka yung background yung yes, madam.
Uy, ay.
Alam mo na yung background.
Bakit mas mabilis naman, uy? Okay. Wow! Strong na kami! Uy! You!
Super press.
Woo!
May ibang siyang joke.
Yeah.
Pabilis lang to.
Okay na yung...
Bigay mo sa akin.
Okay na yung pabalik. Yeah, kanina nanginginig yung pa ako. Pero ngayon, feeling ko talaga sumakses na kami.
Ay, wow. Wow, ang taas mo na.
Wow! Ang taas na namin! Sumakses na kami! Yay!
Videohan tayo ng video.
Kanya-kanyang POV.
Okay na. Mukhang enough naman yung courage na naipon namin.
Yung may swimming pool.
Ano yun? Yung para ano? Yung tawag doon yung extreme? Yung tataas na gano'n.
Oo,
Tapos
oo.
pataas nga.
Bakit sila papunta doon?
Ay, kasi punta sa
Ayan na. Mataas
So hindi
na.
pa sa pataas yung ano nila, biyahe nila sa cable car.
Kamusta, girl?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Kamusta kayo dyan?
Parang ganda dyan.
Okay na to.
Okay lang.
Fab, sige, wag.
Yay!
Eh! Wow!
Sumakses na.
Solo lang siya.
Nakaraos na kami.
Dalawa sila. Parang nag-expo sila. Oh, yan na princess. Pakapay na. Ito nakakatakot na
Mag-post ka na dyan.
Hindi ito dito. Sa iba. Doon sa kabila. Oo, nakakatakot doon.
Wow.
OMG.
Be, talikod, be.
Oh my
God.
God.
Talikod ko, be.
Video ako.
Huwag kayong gagalaw mo ng cellphone ko.
Sobra.
Kung ikaw yung wag umalaw.
Eh, bakit wala din ako?
Kung kanina, we're going up. Ngayon, we're going down. Pila-pila. Dito na kami. for the experience.
At na-survive.
Sumakses at na-survive namin.
Anong oras ang bus natin?
5:30 na yung maabutan na sila, no?
Win lang. Shit. This is the Sakura. It was a very, very great experience. Uulitin? Of course. Definitely.
After the thrilling cable car ride, we took a moment to catch our breath and had a good laugh realizing we actually survived it. Now it's time for some snacks. I didn't know that all the shouting and laughing could make you a little hungry. So let's head to the street market and grab some food.
Squid. Best of squid in Taiwan. Trust me.
Lambot.
Walang lasa man yan.
Kain! Food trip!
Salamat na kanina.
Kompleto yung experience ng kami ko. Kita mo na? Oo. Dapat mo na.
That's it for now. This is our Sanman Lake trip. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye! Tesla. Hello, we're riding Tesla.
Ay, magdadalog ka, girl.
Ay, naintindi. Okay lang yun.
Hindi ko kilala.
Nakasakay ka. Hindi man kilala.
Next time.
Yay! Natuloy ang Tesla.
Ay, ito pala yung papunta.
Days like this remind me that life is better when you slow down, enjoy nature, and make memories with friends. Sanman Lake, your beauty and calm have truly made this trip unforgettable.